Oh my goodness, these bunnies are so cute. They seem to be everywhere today. I have to tell Mario and Luigi. What can it be? Why are these bunnies everywhere? I think I know why they're here. Hey Mario, hey Luigi. Oh hey Princess Peach. Wow, you even have bunnies around the castle. They're everywhere today. Do you, by chance, maybe know why the bunnies are everywhere? Yeah, I do. I can't believe it slipped my mind. Look at them closer. Huh? Look at them closer? Yeah. Look at their ears. They have different colors. These aren't normal bunnies. I think they're Easter bunnies. Whoa! You're right. Well, if they're here, we have to do something special for them. I mean, it's once in a lifetime we'll see the Easter bunny. Let's make them some special slime. Hi everyone, welcome back to Nat and Essie. And oh my goodness, Princess Peach had the best idea. Look, these cute little Easter bunnies. Have you ever seen a bunny with blue and red ears? They are so special. We are going to help them make some special Easter slime just for the Easter bunnies. And to do that, we're going to follow an easy recipe. I'm going to put all of my ingredients in this bowl and let's make a fun Easter themed slime. I want my slime to look soft, pastel colors, so I'm going to use some clear glue, but also some milky school glue to make it soft and fluffy like a bunny. I'm going to put in some of these styrofoam beads. This part I have to do super carefully in small handfuls. Styrofoam beads can go everywhere.
2, 3, 4. Let's do one more and make it 5.
Now, very carefully, don't go too fast. I have to mix all of them in. Listen to how they crunch already. I also want to give it some cloud texture, so I'm going to add just a hair of instant snow and carefully mix this in with our glue. It looks so fluffy. We haven't even added our activator yet, but at this point, it's starting to look soft like a little bunny. I think we're doing a good job to make them happy and give them a gift to give to the little kids when they travel around and hide the Easter eggs. At this point, I like the way it looks. I'm going to add some activator, just a little bit over the top. And now to carefully mix it all together. Whoa. It's going to start looking like strings. And it's slowly going to bind and turn into slime. After about 5 to 10 minutes of mixing, check out what's going to happen. Whoa, the slime is so cloudy because we added the instant snow and then we added the foam. Listen to it. It sounds so good, and check that out. It's super stringy. That's what happens when you add instant snow. Whoa, to your slime, it turns out to get this cloud appearance. So as of right now, it's just white, and I would love to add some color to it. So far, it looks and feels like it would belong to a bunny. Check that out. Whoa, and look at it string. And let's fold it over one more time. That looks so good. One more pull. But let's see what it will look like if we just gave it a little bit more color. So since bunnies like to hop in grass, I'm going to add 1 drop of green dye. So we want to keep the color very light because bunny rabbits and Easter are all about light colors. So let's mix this in. Oh my gosh, that is a nice light colored green now. What do you guys think of this slime? And lastly, let's add some fun charms. So we're going to kind of mix those in real fast. Whoa, and they got buried. So let's put some more on top. Fold it over and see how this looks like. It looks great. It's light green with some rainbow clouds. I think we did a good job. And with the beads in it and the snow, it just is so light and fluffy. Aw, check it out. The bunnies are loving it. Little bunnies, thank you for visiting the castle. Come back anytime you'd like. And if you need more slime, we're happy to make some crafts.